नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक ब्रँड न्यू सिरीज दॅट इज वीकेंड गेटअवे ह्या कार्यक्रमान समर स्पेशलान आम्ही भोंवता एट सम प्रॉमिनंट प्लेसेस. दिस इज अ 2 episode ओल्ड प्रोग्राम आणि ऑब्वियसली पीपल आर कॅचिंग अप, पीपल आर आस्किंग अस व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट वेन्यू दॅट वी शूड एक्सप्लोर इन समर सीजन इन युअर प्रोग्राम वीकेंड गेटअवे. आणि जशें तुमकां खबर आसा हांवें एक्साइटमेंट चड दवरलें ना. यू नो वेर आय एम, इट इज स्प्लॅशडाउन, दॅट इज एट अंजुना. सो तुमकां जर उदकान धमाल करपाची आसल्यार ह्या समरान जाल्यार डेफिनेटली दिस प्लेस Splashdown, that is at Anjuna, you should come down and drop in. I can see a lot of people screaming, a lot of people आवाज बरोबर येता थंयसर धुमशान घालता आसतले. So I'm quite little excited to enjoy my summer this weekend in Splashdown. So हांव चड वेळ घेना, let's go directly hit into the pool and let's enjoy all those amazing rides. Obviously तुम्ही घरा बसून मातशें पिकासांव करा this time when you watch the program. ताच्या नंतर definitely come down to Splashdown. बट ताज्या पयलीं गिविंग अ कमिटमेंट पळयात हांगासर कितें कितें दवरला. लेट मी एन्जॉय फर्स्ट एंड देन मे बी एंटाइस यू टू कम डावन एंड एन्जॉय स्प्लॅशडाउन अंजुना.
Splashdown, Goa's coolest water park, boasts of 5 pools, a variety of slides, flumes, and other interesting features. There is something to do for all ages, the mild and the strong of heart. Rediscover the child in you as you hurtle down the slides. Splashdown is a great place to spend quality time with your family and friends. A unique way to celebrate an occasion, be it a birthday party, family get-together, or a festival. An awesome place to have a school outing, a college reunion, or corporate meetings. So let's check out Splashdown Water Park.
Well, I have done my entry and what better thing to enjoy summers in water. Definitely I'm so excited. I can see a lot of people, a lot of kids enjoying, and definitely I want to get into all and enjoy all those slides. So but before that, obviously itke formal, itke sophisticated, I can't enter in the pool. And I have with me one gentleman who works here. His name is Udesh Bab. Udesh, thank you very much for joining us. Maka sang, you work here, okay? And lot many people come here. Summersan yeta, obviously rainsan, pausan yeta. So how do you feel working here, being part of this daily 365 days on a holiday, right? Okay, maka ek sang, obviously with this kind of clothes, I can't enter the pool. I've carried my baggage, but where do I head now and how do I go about? कसले slides हय.
First to changing room also.
Okay, आणि म्हाका सांग कसले slides आसा, because I'm so excited यार.
एक Yuma.
Okay.
See awesome Trisama.
Okay.
Twister
हय.
Tornado Boomerang
Okay.
आणि लहान भुरग्यांची आमची स्लायड Caterpillar
Okay.
Family slide Tiger Tail
Okay.
I think
So n number of things. So I think Udesh Bab should be my guide as of now. Will take me around. Obviously for that first I need to change, and obviously we will talk to the management also how this concept came about. How is the response being from Goans as well as from the tourists that head to here. But before that I need to get in the water and experience Splashdown here at Anjuna. So come follow me.
While I headed straight to the changing room to get myself ready, let's hear what Melroy Pinto, owner of Splashdown Water Park, have to say.
There was nothing that a kid could do in the 8-9 years back. So that started the whole thing, that we have to do something for kids. And of course, it's not just doing it for kids, you have to do something for the parents, otherwise the parents are going to get bored. So that's how it all started. What drives us to keep going is, at the end of the day, when a child is leaving and a child tells you, what a great experience it was, how much they loved it, how much they enjoyed themselves. That is so fulfilling. To hear a parent, a mother saying, my child was afraid of the water and my child has got overcome of the fear. It's so nice to hear that. Or to hear the grandparents say, I felt like a child again. After so many years, I went on a slide. That is what drives us. That is what gives us the satisfaction to keep going.
So जसे तुम्ही पहिला Udesh Bab has made me ready. I've changed. I have got my gear also to experience my first slide. सारखे हांगा येयलो काय पहिली स्लाइड ही करपाक जाय. सो हितूर आतां खंयची आतां 2-3 आसा पळय, इट इज स्कॅटर्ड. Blue one. Okay. So I don't know if you are ready. I am ready. Udesh Bab has made me ready. So you see and experience and definitely come down next weekend. Let me enjoy.
While on my way to the first slide, in this slide, you sit on a single or double air-filled inflatable float and zoom down 350 feet of the winding tube at exciting speeds. So I braced myself for an adventure as a wimp and turned my way to the bottom on the Zoom plume. My advice? Hold on tight. This can be one hell of a ride. The best part is parents and children can ride together. As they say, it takes two to tango, and the success story of Splashdown is the partnership of two friends. Before we head to the second slide, let's hear what Levencio D'Souza has to say.
First, actually, we were just friends. Then we became, business partners. But we are still good friends. We have plus and minus points. But whatever minus we have, we just square up with the plus, and we are good friends. And we are good. When we are at work, we are totally business. After work, we are good friends. And our friendship has improved, and we are doing better. And we communicate very well with each other. We both know what is happening inside the park every day. That keeps us, informed about everything that is happening. And that's how we move. We know everything. Whatever happens in the park, that is conveyed. That's how. We do it on the ship, and now we are in business, and we do the same thing here. And that has made us successful, because at the end of the day, we are well informed of everything that is happening. Even though I'm at home. He tells me, and I know what is happening here.
Over the years, we found what are each other's strengths, and accordingly, he looks after his strengths and I look after mine. So the portfolios automatically get allotted to each other. He looks after all the execution of work and all that. I look after the planning, the finances. So it's like that. We manage very well with whatever we have to do.
We manage well, and we respect each other well. That is important.
That's the perfect equation that you have. Coming back on my adrenaline rush, I took over on the second slide. You indeed need to bring along your courage to go on this aggressive multi-lane mat slide aptly named Awesome Threesome. It begins with a face-first steep descent from a height of 30 feet. After the first bump, you experience the thrill once again before ending up in the landing pool, skimming along the water to the end. This slide provides extreme thrill and has 3 lanes, so you and 2 of your friends can race each other head to head to the bottom. The USP of Splashdown is the welcoming planning, which lets everyone enjoy in their cozy space. Mr. Pinto updated us more on the planning and expansion front.
We have chosen the best slides and we have put them in such a way that we still have a lot of space to expand. Yeah. And if you see the design, you have many focus points. So people are not all clustered on one focus point. So there's no waiting time for any slide. At the most, the waiting time is 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes. So even if the park has 500 people, you cannot tell it because it is all evenly spread out. You have a focus here, a focus on this slide tower, a focus on this pool, the kiddies pool, the rain dance area. So you have people spread out all over the place. And this is what makes the place tick. There's always excitement, there's always a vibrance, there's always, something. And there's something called a magic hour here. That happens around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Everyone has had their fill of sliding and excitement and all, and now they want to relax. So people all gather in the main pool, and it's amazing. Everyone just starts talking to everyone. Foreigners and Indians become friends, they exchange numbers. So that we call the magic hour. It always happens between 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Everyone just relaxing, chatting with each other.
It was now time to take over the third slide, which takes you through a series of crazy twists and turns. You lie on your back directly on the slide and experience thrills and chills of the twister as you gain speed before safely landing in the slide pool. The new slide here to test your nerves is the tornado. Imagine you've been shrunk and flushed down the wash basin. After starting off from a height of 30 feet in a tube enclosed in darkness, you burst out into daylight with high velocity into a bowl where you spin round in a circular motion a few times before dropping through the sinkhole into the pool. This definitely is one crazy ride. So while experiencing the slides and the rides at Splashdown Water Park, the most important question struck me: how do you keep on innovating and ensuring the best experience at the park?
There are always small things that are taking place. And we have some more plans for expansion in the future, something very exciting, but we don't want to disclose that right now. We generated a lot of excitement with the last slide by asking the patrons to come up with a name for it.
After the brief chat with the visionaries, I saw next to the tornado exists another new slide, and this ride literally screams excitement. The Boomerang is an exclusive ride of its kind. Ever ready I was to jump to my excitement when I was in an inflatable raft which took me to a breathtaking plunge down the slide, then zoomed up to a height of almost 30 feet and repeats the same, only backwards. Oscillates back and forth, finally coming to a rest at the bottom. So before I jump into the pool and enjoy my time here, let's hear what are the feedback and safety measures Splashdown takes to make experiences a memorable one.
There are few people who criticize, but we take it positively. And we don't just take it and put it aside. We do a research on that and we try to improve. Every monsoon we have a full list of things which we have to, we have to take care. Whatever complaints we have got, we try to finish it in 1 month's time. Everything is
The next
taken
season you are
care.
bang.
And next season by July and or by August first week we are ready for the next season. So we don't take anybody's criticism as they are trying to spoil our name or dump something on us. No, it is always positive, and we try to do our best. And we are both engineers, so we'll never take it. It is always good. We consider that after that season we can work.
Yeah.
No, too bad.
And we are very safety conscious, being ex-Navy people. So in the beginning, we used to have lots of first aid cases. So as soon as somebody got hurt, we would find out where they got hurt and make sure that place became safe again. And how we calibrate ourselves is by the number of first aid cases that come up. So we are almost at zero now. We have almost zero first aid cases. That tells us that we are safe and we have progressed.
Apart from the slides shown, there are many smaller slides like Curly Whirly, Hee Ha, Caterpillar, Tiger's Tail, Family Flume, Flippy and Aqua Dance.
It's a lovely location here they have, nestled among lots of greenery, lots of fun rides, very nice ambience, and great catering and food. So we are having a good time, and I'm sure we'll continue to do that.
Little thrilling to begin with, but then it was fun. Yeah, more people should come here maybe and enjoy the place, the rides here.
This is a very fantastic place. You can enjoy a whole time over here, and we will recommend all other people to come and enjoy their time. It's a chota packet, bada dhamaka place.
Fun and nice to enjoy.
Very fun to play here.
It's super duper here. Like I'm not acting, right? Okay. It's very fun here. You should come once. Like you'll enjoy. You'll enjoy very much.
We are having a good time over here.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बच्चे enjoy कर रहे हैं और everybody have a fun time. They are enjoying. अगर आपको एक महीने में एक बार इधर जरूर आना चाहिए. यहाँ आके आप बस बाकी सब भूल जाओ. Enjoy full day, and this is a very good exercise for your reducing your mental stress.
Hello everyone, we are from Mangalore and today is our last day. We are staying here in Goa and we have selected the best place. Like we are having one water park in Mangalore, but it's not up to this. When we started,
small place, but
it's a small place, but we are having lots of rides and everything. And when we started, and everyone were it's very small,
not that good.
But
It's not
when
that, but now we are having a lot of fun.
Like when we came here, we are getting lots of fun here, and we are having lots of facilities, having a restaurant, having a bar, and we can
And
get
whatever
the
you want.
plots, everything.
This is like heaven.
And thanks that Splashdown. Yeah.
Well, what no Splashdown at Anjuna was a weekend getaway. It couldn't have been more beautiful than this. Obviously, enjoying summer, enjoying weekend in water, all the slides, and obviously people like Uddesh Bhava sir, खूप volunteers असा हांगा सर जे actually तुमकां सगळ्यांक help करतात for slides and all those things. Uddesh Bhava, thank you very much. It was indeed pleasure ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स ऑल द स्लाइड. ऑब्वियसली म्हाका दिसता की म्हाज्या सारकेच म्हाजे जे पळोवपी आसा हांगासर तेंच्यांनी डेफिनेटली बीच किंवा आनी खंय तरी अशें न्हंय देगेर वचचें न्ही. डेफिनेटली हांगासर येवचें. यू गॉट अमेझींग रेस्टॉरंट, यू गॉट अमेझींग स्लाइड, यू गॉट ब्युटिफूल वॉटर पार्क हियर. डेफिनेटली रेन डान्स, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करता. आय थिंक एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, एन नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज आसा. मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली आय थिंक पार्किंग सुद्धा सायडीक आसा, सो यू डोंट हॅव एन इंटरेस्ट फॉर दॅट. So thank you very much, Udesh. It was pleasure, and I think definitely you would also like to call people, invite the weekend and celebrate this. Enjoy the weekend here at Splashdown, Anjuna. सारखे कितें लास्ट सांगतलो तूं तांकां व्ह्युअर्सांक तुज्या आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांक आपयतलो हांगासर स्प्लॅशडावनाक.
I invite you everybody in Splashdown water park.
Okay, Splashdown, but then I want to end this program on a splashy ride. This is the last ride that I want to experience. Obviously, खुबशे राइड्स आसात जे हांवें एक्सपिरियन्स करूं ना बिकॉज आय वॉज लिटल स्केप्टिकल, बट म्हाका दिसता भुरग्यांनी अमेझींग एन्जॉय केलें. म्हाका दिसता वी आर लिटल स्केप्टिकल बट भुरगे आर नॉट. दिस इज अ व्हेरी सेफ स्लाइड दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू एन्जॉय. सो आय एंड अप दिस प्रोग्राम ऑन दिस स्लाइड. Hope to catch you on the next weekend, that is Saturday 7:30 and 10 p.m. on your very special and brand new program that we have started, that is Weekend Getaway. And it's now my time to enjoy the slide. What's up?
Splashdown.
Splashdown.